You're searching for iPhone front camera settings? But what if I tell you there is no separate front camera setting? Yes, most people don't know this. Let me show you the real setting that controls both cameras. Now look carefully, go to your iPhone settings. Here, open Camera app and tap on Record Video. Whatever you select here, 4K, 1080p, 30 fps, 60 fps, applies to both front and back camera. That means there is no separate option for selfie camera, no hidden setting, no secret button. Everything is controlled from one place. So if your front camera looks blurry, it's not because you didn't find the setting, it's because you're not using 4K. Lens is dirty. Lighting is bad. Set 4K at 30 fps or 60 fps. Turn on HDR. Video, turn off prioritize faster shooting. Even after all this, front camera will not look like back camera because back camera. Bigger sensor, plus better lens. Front camera. Smaller sensor. So stop wasting time searching for front camera setting. Now you know the truth.